Morning everybody, Jason Overly with Overly Equipment, www.fordjacobsontractor.com, and we just got another restored tractor out of our shop today, ready to go to one of our local shows. It is a 1972 Ford Lgt 100 with a white wheel, 1 year only. Has a custom grill guard we made, and got OEM factory wheel weights. It's pretty much a stock restoration. We didn't get too crazy, wanted to keep it as original as we could. I do have a blue seat that's for this tractor coming. Right now we put the black one on just for the show. But it turned out really nice. But what we want to focus on with this video is the attachment. And yes, that's a Didier Manufacturing Sickle Bar. And pretty, can't say super rare, but it is definitely an uncommon Sickle Bar. That's the first one I've ever seen on one of these, so I'm not saying they're not out there, but it's the first we've seen. And yes, it's supposed to be orange. That's what they came. That bar and everything came orange. The head unit is what changed. Now, they did make a hydraulic version of this, and my friend has one of them. He knows of one anyhow. But want to say a special thanks to George Bradish. He supplied all the stickers. If you guys are looking for stickers for these machines, it's www.georgebradishtractorparts.com. He's out in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. Good friend of mine, many years. He provided all the decals, and he just now is releasing these wheel weight decals, which are pretty cool. I think they're going to be a big seller. And I also want to have a shout out to Josh Deven. Now, Josh does all the fiberglass repop work. Now, that's a repop grill. That is not an OEM. That's how it's beautiful. And also the battery covers. Everybody is always missing these. He come up with a really nice, slick, one-piece design for this machine. So he sells them if you're interested. All the information for both of these guys is on my website on the second parts page. All their information, phone numbers, websites, whole 9 yards. So get on the website, check our website out, check their information out, and you won't be disappointed. The tractor turned out, yes, the Sickle Bar is fully functional. It runs and drives. Turned out to be a really nice restoration for us. Took 2 years with customers and working full time. It takes me a while to get stuff done anymore. But if you guys like these videos, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it. And hit the like button as well. But make sure you check us out on our website. There's plenty of customer tractors. There's a lot of creativity out there, and there's some really nice machines these people put their heart and souls into. So check out the website, not just for parts, but there's a lot of information and a lot of other people's great tractors. And if you have a Ford or a Jacobson that you're restoring and you'd like to put it on the website, by all means, send us a shout out, send us an email, send us pictures with all your information. We'd be happy to put them on there. So thanks again. Have a wonderful day, guys.